To create a custom redirect, you can go to Marketing, Content, and Custom Redirects. Once there, click on Add Custom Redirect. Custom redirects are great for tracking where link clicks are coming from, or to do completion actions based on a specific link that you are sending out to various inputs, social media, rep signatures, or assets that you plan on individually sending out. To set up a custom redirect, simply name your custom redirect, put where you want the redirect to go, and what do you want the redirect to be. A very powerful aspect of custom redirects are completion actions. You can add them to a CRM campaign, adjust the score assigned to a user, and all sorts of automation based on them clicking that specific link. Here you can see that we're sending them to our main homepage, but if they come through the specific custom redirect, they will be added to a specific CRM campaign, or they will be added to a specific list, or sending a notification to the assigned user. Custom redirects are a great way to check for traffic, set up automation rules, and completion action. Once created, simply start using your custom URL instead of your destination URL